Let's get a hit up. Come on, every trader. Come on, everybody. Get up and make some killing in the market. All right, before we dive in, do me a quick favor. See that pan link at the top of the chat? Can you see that? Here is a pan link at the top of the chat. That's your golden ticket. Just click it. All right, just click it. Join our free trading room and instantly unlock our proprietary stock diagnoser. Yeah, that scanner, we name it as bullish view. This is about the market insight. It spots these morning movers before they explode, completely free. Hey, can you hear that? Can you hear me? This tool, this quantitative tool is completely free, zero cost. All right, I will remind you again in a few, but seriously, why wait? Just click the link, join us, and get this free quantitative move. Okay? Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. All right, let's take a look at yesterday. We saw some wild action in the pre-market. NVDA, okay, the most popular stock recently. Let's take a look at NVDA. All right, here we go. Hey, can you see that? I just analyzed this yesterday. NVIDIA is just broke its upper stress level, right? It get a little pullback yesterday, then go up again. Oh, the day before yesterday, and then go up again yesterday, right? With some volume enlarge. And this is what I see now. And I will show you our quantitative tool. Okay, let's take a look at NVDA. Wait a minute. Good things always takes time. You need some time to analyze this ticker for you. Good thing. Okay. Here, can you see that? This is the first show of our quantitative tool. You just clicked, you just typed the ticker here and then click analyze. Then the AI, sorry, and the AI will give you an answer. Come on, can you see that? NVIDIA hit 60-day high with overbought RSI. Watch for pullback. So let's take a look tonight. What does this mean? First, you can see that it has hit a 60-day high with a strong technical, right? It is a strong upward trend. Then, however, you take a look at the RSI here. It just entered the overbought zone. Gonna be green, okay? Gonna be green. So the AI tool just tells us that be careful about the pullback, okay? Yeah, it indicates extreme overbought conditions, suggesting high short-term pullback risk. So we don't need to chase the trend, and we don't need to be FOMO. What does FOMO mean? Fear of missing out, right? Fear of missing out. So now price is above all MAs and holding above the pivot, but volume is slightly below the 20-day average. Yeah, the volume is not as much as the before. Yeah, the volume is just as usual, right? Showing a weaker momentum. This momentum, how to say, this trend is strong, but here it is very close to the historical high, and RSI is just enter the overbought zone. All right, so holders should consider partial profit taking. Yeah, so if you hold NVDA have already for maybe several days, yeah, that profit is good. Yeah, just take it. While new buyers should avoid chasing highs. Yeah, is that clear? And wait for pullbacks to support level. Yeah, the pullback is very close here. Yeah, it is here. The stressful level, the price has break the stressful level. So now the stressful level has begun the support level. All right. So when it pull back to this support level here, around 196, it is much better than you enter now. Understand? Yeah, this is what our tool show you. So it is magical, right? It's very magical. So if you're gonna find a stock and want some rational analysis, it takes time. It really takes time. All right. But you just click the link and join us. You will get that free tour. Yeah, I show you that tour. And now this is our theme tonight. You get it, and then you don't need to take more time. So this is an AI era. What does it mean? AI, yeah, AI is probably replace some job, right? Replace some position. It is okay because this is how the society develop, right? But mostly AI play an important role in raising our effectivity, right? Effectivity is raising our effectivity. So without AI, we need to search the file, search the data by ourselves. We take many time to study deeply in a stock, in a company. But with that tool, with that free tool, you just need to type the tickers and then click analyze. Then you will get the answer. So magical, right? Yeah. It's very just magical. Okay, let me take a look at some answer. Yeah. Come on. You guys ask a lot of questions. That's good. That's good. I think that tour, our bullish view, our bull view, quantitative and analysis tool, will give all the answer to you. Things like one of our friends said, is NVDA leading the market again today? I don't think so. So because you just take a look at the pre-market, it's going down. It's going down. The pre-market trend is almost swallowed. Yesterday, up. Yesterday gaining. All right. Yesterday gaining. And some of the friends say that feels like it is running again. Too late to enter. Come on, it is pullback. It is a pullback before the market open in the pre-market. All right. You just wait. And the tour, our free tour, just told you that. Hey, take a look at the tour. Come on, holder should consider partial profit taking. All right. You don't need to wait. You have already get the profit. Then while new buyers should avoid chasing highs. So it's not too late. Just wait for pullbacks to support levels. All right. Is that clear? And Tesla. Let's take a look at another popular stock, Tesla. Come on, I show you how to use that tool. It's very easy. Come on. And actually, I can tell you that I have some friends who are working in the quant hedge fund. So if you don't know the math, if you don't know the statistical method, if you don't know coding, if you don't know how to do program trading, yeah, you will feel that quantitative hedge fund is very mysterious, right? It's just like a math. Actually, my friend told me that it's not that difficult. The most difficult job in the world, I think, is scientific research. Trading should be easy. Easy is not means you can make money easily. The execution, right? The analysis should be easy when you use the right method. So okay, anyway, just do the happy trading. Okay, come back our presentation, take a look at that bull view. That's free but not very complicated AI tool, quantitative tool. All right, let's take a look at Tesla. All right, you just type the ticker and click analyze. All right, just wait a minute. Good thing always takes time. And then it will show you the answer. And now we can compare with the chat. Tesla. Hey, can you see that? All right. Oh, very rational analysis. So what does the bull view tool tell us? Tell us. Wow, that's too hot here. Okay. Tesla breaks 400. RSI strong, but faces resistance test. Okay. Well, let's take a look at today's view. Tesla closed at 400, breaking the 400 psychological level with a 3% gain yesterday. Is that right? Here, 3% gain, it breached 400. And now it gets some pullback, it's okay. RSI at around 65 shows strength without being overbought. Yeah, it is not, it is still some distance to be overbought, right? Still some distance. Price is above 20 MA20. Yeah, I said 20 MA20 here. MA20 is above MA20, which indicates active buying. Consider accumulating near support 391.75. So the near support is around here. Yeah, it's around here, this way, with potential to add with resistance at 410, around 410. Here is a resistance, here is a stress. So just break here, break the level here, and it is still a upward trend. All right, it is still an upward trend. Watch the 60-day high, 452. It's around here. Yeah, I did. So it is still a distance. Beautiful, very beautiful. So is that clear? Crystal clear, right? You don't need to spend a lot of time to stare at the mall. All right. So if you are swinging from yesterday, you probably woke up stressed. So if you are day trading the open, you bank it and then went to breakfast. That's what we are doing here. That's all we do here. Okay. Newbies in the room, welcome. Welcome. Let's get you up to speed. What exactly is day trading? Okay. Well, I'll just show you two popular stocks in our quantitative tour. And now come back to our presentation, and the theme of today is that mastering the open. Dominate the first 30 minutes, dominate the first half an hour of the market. All right. So I just show you two popular stocks in our quantitative tour. Please don't forget to click the link and join our group to get this free tour. Okay. A quantitative tour but free. What a big gift. What a big gift. All right. So you can tell me some tickers. Okay, you can tell me some ticker. I will show you how our tool analyzes to you. It's free to claim, of course. Not only I say that it's free, no charge. Okay, no charge, and the more is showing to you that it is a free. It's a free tour. You may have some question that what a great tour. Why do you use it secretly? We don't need that. We are trading happily. We are trading professionally, and we're gonna share the useful thing with the world. We want everybody to trade happily. All right. Okay. Before the market open, let's take a look at the index. So SPY. SPY. So let's take a look. How does the AI model will tell us? How does it analyze the whole market, the index? Hi, can you see that? SPY is the index, right? I show you on the presentation, and I show you how to use the AI tool to get a short answer, to get a logical and a short answer. Well, they are told us that SPY breaks out strongly as an extremely high risk, extremely overbought risk. Okay, very clear, right? Crystal clear. Crystal clear. Right? SPY closed at 710. Okay, let's take a look at the trading view. Our index. Well, okay, ETF is okay. Yeah, ETF. Okay, it's very strong. Yeah, SPY is the Standard Poor ETF, right? Breaking above the key pivot at showing strong bullish momentum. However, RSI 14 is very overbought, indicate extreme overbought conditions, suggesting high risk of pullback. Yeah, so still the same suggestion. Don't chase the higher price. Don't chase the higher price. All right. Yeah, it is a new launched tool. It is a new launched tool. Okay, some people ask Apple, Amazon. Let's take a look at the Apple. Come on. So Apple breaks above moving average with overbought RSI. And actually it's not very overbought, but it shows you that it's middle risk, mid risk. Right? Close 270 yesterday, indicating bullish momentum. Yeah, the moving average is moving up, and the RSI is close to the overbought. It's okay. Yeah, it's middle risk now. It's middle risk. Above 20-day average showing strong buy interest. Yeah, the volume is getting larger, right? Consider accumulating near support at the point. You can set a limit buying order here, so which break out above this number as potential entry point, but maintain strict stop loss discipline. Yeah, maintain stop loss discipline. All right. Amazon is the same. Come on, you just type the ticker and click analyzing, you will get the answer. Very strong, right? But overbought. Okay. Yeah, high risk. Extreme RSI overbought. Okay, I don't read it one by one. I just want you click the link and get this tool. You read it by yourself. All right? Is that okay? Because there, I have another beautiful thing to show you. How to do day trade in the first half an hours. All right. Come on, click the link and get that free AI tool. It is an instant AI stock analysis. Very easy to use. You know, some of our friends, just like some engineers, they don't have time during the daytime, so they use our tool to analyze the stocks as soon as possible. We get an instant answer from the AI, so we get a reason to buy the stock. Still the same thing I'm gonna share you is that if you don't have any reason to buy a stock, to buy or sell, which means that you are gambling. We trade for profit, right? If we lose money, we feel sad. So we need to trade happy. We need to trade happily. And this tool is an effective analyzation tool. Save your time, then you trade more effectively. Okay, many friends asking question. Uber. Okay, let's take a look at Uber. I think it is just mid-risk. The trend is just begin. Oh, it's high risk. Overbought again. Overbought again. Caution advice. Yeah. It show you many things, right? Netflix. Mid risk. Volume break below. Hit it and then wait for the support at 1995. You see, it just comes down from the overbought zone, right? It just comes down from the overbought zone. When it gets lower, enter the oversold zone here. Yes, very beautiful here. This is a very beautiful song. This is a very beautiful signal here. I'm gonna share you with that. This is a textbook case study. You can see that the price get lower and lower, right? But the RSI get higher and higher. The price gets lower and lower. But the RSI is getting higher. What does this mean? It means that this is a divergence. Okay, so you here at this point, you just wait for another divergence like that. When the price get lower and lower, and the RSI going up. This is a divergence. Well, I think you are not familiar with that. This is easy for us professional traders. So because we look at the market every day, we do full-time trading. But the AI tool will tell you that as soon as possible. You just tell the tool the ticker, click analyze, you will get the answer, whether buy or sell. Is that clear? Okay, come back to our presentation. Okay. Tonight, I'm gonna share with you how we do day trade. Day trading is a job, okay? It is not an investment. You clock in at 9:30. You clock out by 10 o'clock. Maybe 10, maybe 10:30. If the action is hot, right? Your paycheck is the spread between your entry and your exit. Now I know some of you are thinking, but isn't that risky? Everything is risky if you don't know what you are doing. Driving is risky if you don't use a seat belt. Day trading is risky if you don't have a system. And that is exactly what I'm giving you today, a system. And the other AI tool is a very beautiful quantitative system for you to have a reason to do day trading. Is that clear? Our AI tool, our free quantitative AI tool is a very useful tool for you to have a reason to do day trading. Well, in my opinion, actually I think long-term trading is much riskier. You know why? Because you are holding holding a portfolio, maybe a pile of stocks overnight and maybe over months. So the longer term you hold a stock, the more risk you need to face, because the market change every day. You don't know what happened tomorrow, right? But day trade is different. You just need to trade for half an hour a day. Wow, you can tell your friend that I'm just working half an hour a day and I made profit. Of course, not profitable every day. But I think if you have a system, you have an AI tool, you can earn money every month. Now the first and the foremost thing is that you need a system, you need to be disciplined, you need a tool. The tool will make you more disciplined, make you more systematic. Okay, so how to get this tool? Click the link in the chat, then you can get this free tool. Okay, the core philosophy of the day trader is that they open 9:30. They open, I identify volatility and enter the position, and then the fluctuation, while the momentum and the algorithmic order flows, then close, because it's the position entirely before the closing bell. The result is You don't have any money overnight exposure, immune to after hours earnings disaster or global news event. So you just take the profit maybe just in half an hour. It's exactly that you hold entirely cash overnight. So then go to bed. Then have a drink outside. You don't need to care about what happened in the macroeconomic, and you don't need to care about whether the stock will go up or down tomorrow, cause you have all your cash in hand, right? You have all your cash in hand. So you just need to do what you need to do is that identify the volatility and the trend, and then ride the momentum, then make some money. That's all. Yeah, of course you will make some mistake. It's okay. Mistakes are part of your trading system. You need to accept it. Okay? You need to accept it, but not avoid it. If you avoid mistake, you it's not beneficial for your profit. So because when you make a mistake, you need to cut loose. So if you don't cut loose, the loss will get larger. So it's not good for your all money. So have you clicked that pan link yet? Did anybody click that pan link yet? Okay, welcome. Hi, Catherine Macklin. You just clicked the link. Welcome. Yeah. You're smart. You just get a free tool that will improve your trading system. So every free group comes with the stock diagnoser as this bull view market insight. Think of it as your AI machine for stocks. It scans the entire market, pre-market, and flags exactly which ticker have the volume, volatility, and momentum to make you money in the first 30 minutes. Alright, it's the same tool our modes use every single morning. Free, just click the link. It's free, just click the link. Okay, let's have a compare with day trading and traditional investing. First, the market risk. The market risk of day trading is intraday only. Okay, it's protected. I just told you that you don't need to care about what happened overnight. You don't need to predict whether your stock is going up or down tomorrow, because you just trade in the first half an hour, right? So I think the market risk of day trading is lower because you control the risk. You have avoided the overnight gap. So what about compare with the traditional investing? Alright, traditional investing, you have your portfolio exposed to the 24 hours and the 7 days. It's vulnerable to overnight gaps. Alright, So what about the capital velocity? Day trading is high, of course. Fast enter and fast quit. Your capital is free. Your capital is not occupied by the stock holding, right? But traditional investing is different. It may be, yeah, of course you know, if you have bought NVDA and Tesla, things like that, you hold for several years, of course you have made a lot of money. But what if you hold another one? Stocks like NVIDIA, Tesla, it is just a survival bias in behavioral finance. So what about you hold another unknown stocks, right? Not only it occupy your capital, it also make you lost. And in the leverage part, high buying power, right? Day trading, and most of the time you can use the margin, you can use the leverage. But traditional investing is one, so no matter how much, you almost can't use leverage. You know why? Because the traditional investing encourage you to hold a stock for several days or several months, even several years. If you use margin, if you use the leverage, come on, the interest cost for you is probably larger than the profit you have earned. Because the leverage. What is leverage? Leverage is that you have borrowed money. Borrowed money from the broker, right? Then invest the borrowed money in the market. If you do day trading, you borrow now and receive the money as soon as possible within a day, right? They almost have no interest. But if you use leverage to hold a stock for several months or even several years, oh come on, the interest cost is so large. All right. Okay, someone asked CRWD. Let me show you what our AI tell you. CRWD. Strong again today. Come on, it's showing. It is analyzing. Hey, can you see that? And then we also take a look in the trading view now. Yeah. I think the trend is just begin. As the AI say, price above average with strong RSI but low volume, right? RSI is strong. It is strong, and still some distance from the overbought zone. Didn't enter the overbought zone, and the trend is just start. Volume is low. It's okay. Volume is low. When the volume get larger, the price probably get higher. Okay. And the AI tool is also tells you that the key level, support and the resistance. All right. Take a look here. You know what? There are many advisors between our tool. Our team is almost everyone is elite. Okay. I don't want to talk too much about that because I'm so familiar with them. I'm so familiar with them. If you want to know more, just click the link, join our group. Then you get this tour. You may know everything. You can know everything, and it's very easy to use. Very easy to use. Whatever stock you want it to analyze, so just type it here. Okay, someone asks now. Okay, I'll show you again. Now, I'll show you here. Now, right? Analyze. Now, right. Now, right. Now. Snowflake. Come on, come on, come on. Well, it takes time. It takes time, but it's still faster than human being, right? Yeah, the AI takes time, but it is still faster than human. Okay, so now below key MAs. Yeah, it is a downward trend. Obviously, it is a downward trend. Let me show you that. Let me show you. Is that right? It's a downward trend. RSI neutral week, volume light, neutral week, neutral here. So when should we enter? When should we chase now? When the volume get large, and when the price break this downward trend. Okay, when the price break the downward trend with volume get large, you can enter. Firstly, you trade for a reason, right? If you trade without a reason, you are gambling. So our Blue View AI tool will give you a reason. So you click the link and join us to get this free tool. This tool gives you the reason to trade. All right, then you have a direction. And take a look at the trading view. All right, you know what you're gonna do. So you are not doing the things very, how to say, you are doing things emotional. You have a system, right? You have a system. Don't trade by feeling. Don't trade by your emotion. You need to trade by logical reasons. Who can give you the reasons? Our team. All right. But I'm not live with you. I'm not always standing by you. So who can live with you and standing by you? The Blue View AI tool. It can. All right. So it's very easy. You just click the link and you get this free and a useful tool. Why not? Why not? Come on, man. Come on, bro. All right. Well, still the competition between day comparison. Oh, sorry. Still in the comparison between day trading and the traditional investing. The last one, in the market direction. Well, day trading, no matter bull market or bearish market, you can make profit because you just focus on the first half an hours, right? You just focus on the first half an hour, and you don't care about whether it's bull or bear. However, the traditional investing relies strictly on growth because you need to find out stock, a company with growing profit, right? And with the very low valuation, which means undervalued. Just like what Warren Buffett does. Look, Warren Buffett is great. of course, right? He's also 94 years old and has almost $150 billion. He's playing a different game. You're not building a fortune over 40 years. All right, you are trying to pay your rent this month. You are trying to quit your 9 to 5 job. You are trying to turn $5,000 into $50,000 so you can breathe again. Buy and hold in this market. Good luck. You held NVDA through the last correction. You held Tesla when Elon Musk sneezed or tweeted. You held any of these Chinese EV stocks when they delisted. You're bleeding. So day trading eliminate overnight risk. You don't care about earnings after the bell. You don't care about Fed announcement at 2 p.m. You don't care about your political drama over the weekend. You're flat. You're safe. You're liquid. You're liquid. Right? So what can support your day trading? What can support your day trading? So anyone know that? What can support your day trading? Yeah, of course, our AI tool, right? Our AI tool, our Blue View analytical stock analytical tool can support it. Because day trading needs you to be fast, needs you to be faster than the other. You not only compete with other retail traders, you are also compete with the international high frequency trading team. You need to be fast. So how can be fast? If you analyze the market by your eye on the screen, is not enough. That's too slow. You need someone told you that. You need someone to tell you the reason to trade. And our AI tool can tell you as soon as possible. Is that clear? So click the link and get the free tour. You will enjoy it. You will say thank you to me. Understand? Yeah, sure. Someone say Blue View. Yeah. My AI tour, sure. You just click the link and try it. Maybe just tomorrow night you will say thank you to me. You will enjoy it. Alright, come on. I'm doing something like donation. You know, this is the tool we use often. And now I give you free. Okay, let's come back to our presentation. What does it mean? In day trading, the golden half an hour is 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. because the pre-market anticipation and the algorithmic position is very low here. When the bell rings, overnight orders execute. Maximum institutional volume hits the tap. And then initial directional trends are established that settle. Liquidity drop off. The lunchtime again begins. Right? So during this half an hour, the volume is very big. and the liquidity is the best. This is the golden half an hour for you to enter to do day trading. But it is not gambling, okay? It is not gambling. It is trading. You need to be fast. So you need to be fast, and you need a reason. How to get the reason fast? Our tool will tell you the reason as soon as possible. So I cannot advertise this again until you click the link and get this tool, because I want you to make money. I want you to trade happily. I want you to make money in an easier way. So don't lose money again. It's free. Why not? All right. Still the good point of the open. Still the good point of day trading. So the engine of the open, I just said that is the surging liquidity, extreme volatility, and the pre-market gaps. All right, that's easy. Okay, the DNA of a successful day trader. So, what characters do you need to be a successful day trader? Okay, risk tolerance. Okay, you need to tolerate some risk, and you need to cut loose when you face look, and emotional control. You don't have to be formal. Okay, when you miss the trend, you don't chase it. You can wait. You can control your emotion. Okay, strict discipline. This is the most important thing, I think. Strict discipline is very important. You need discipline. You need a system to control your trade. Don't trade like a bumblebee. Don't trade in a random walk. Okay, you trade systematically. And last one is rapid decision making. Well, if you're doing long-term investing, if you are doing value investing, you can reflect slowly, because there's enough time for you to find out undervalued stock, right? Because you are planning to hold it for a long time. It's okay. You don't need to. Actually, you don't need to care too much about the cost. You don't need to be timing, right? Yeah, of course, timing is great. It's very important, but timing is not playing a very important role in value investing. So in value investing, I think valuation is playing the most important role, because when you find out undervalued stock, you don't care about the time. It's already undervalued, right? It is undervalued. It's good timing. However, in day trade, you don't care about valuation. All right, in day trade, you don't care about valuation. What you really care about is whether you trade in the right way. Clearly, I said that again. I'm gonna say that again. What you really need to care about, what you really care about in day trade is whether you trade in the right way. So how to trade in the right way? You need strict discipline. You need a fair enough system. You need a reason to trade. So where's the reason? Where's the reason? The reason from the analysis. Alright? Our Bull View AI tool will give you the reason as soon as possible in a very quick way. So come on, man. Click the link and get a free tour. We don't earn you any money. We We earn the money from the market. We are profitable professional trader. We just care about how we reflect to the how we react to the market. Yeah, we make money from the market, but we share this free tool with you. Uh, you know why? Because still the same thing is that I want you to trade happily. With our tool, you can do it. Oh, come on. Alright, I have just talk about this tool for an hour. Let me take a nap. Alright. Okay. And I'm gonna say it again. Um, during this time, please click the link. Okay. Get this tool. You you will enjoy it and say thank you to me when you use it. Alright. You will find it very useful. Just trust me. Okay. See you later. Hello everybody, nice to see you again. Let's continue our presentation. Tonight, we just not only talk about the how to do a short-term trade, how to do day trade, right? I also recommend a very useful AI tool for you. This is our product. This is our excellent and useful product. Its name is BlueView. How to get it? Okay, I tell you the reason why you need it. Because if you trade without a reason, you are gambling, right? You need to trade rationally. You need to trade in a professional way. So how to be professional? You need a reason, right? You need a logic. You need a logical reason. You need a fundamental and a technical reason. Okay, who can give you the reason? Yeah, of course I can give you, but I'm just a person. I'm busy with trading, and you have your full-time job. I'm not your babysitter. I cannot sit by you for 24 hours, right? And you can't contact me directly every time. I just online every day before the market open, right? But now it is the AI era. We produce this BlueView AI tool for you, and you can trade rationally with a professional reason. And this AI tool provide the useful stock analysis for you in a very quick way. So how can you get it? It's very easy. You just click the link, okay? So, and how can you use it? It's also very easy. Whatever ticker you want to know, you want it to analyze for you, you just type the ticker, you type the code, then click analyze. That give you a reason to trade. That's all. Very easy, right? Very easy. Okay, come back to our presentation. Hunting the right tickers on a scan for. So not every stock, not every underlying is a good stock for you to do day trading. There are three conditions. Firstly, the stock needs high relative volume. Secondly, it have an extreme implied volatility. Actually, not need to be very extreme. The volatility is high enough. That's okay. And then you need a fresh catalyst. What does catalyst mean? You need some reason. It's a reason to trade. So our tool, the BlueView tool, is always can give you a reason. So this is the catalyst. All right, this is the catalyst. So you know what's the best part of compounding? Make 1% per day. Just 1%. Do the math. You can do the math, right? It's not get rich quickly. It's get rich for sure. But you need the right stock, the right timing, and the right tools. You know where I'm going with this? The link in the chat. Our stock diagnoser, BlueView, doesn't just find stocks. It finds the right stocks for you to do day trading. Okay, the ones with institutional volume, clear levels, and predictable patterns. It's like having a Bloomberg terminal that actually makes sense. So click the link, join free. I will wait. Anyone click the link and get the tour? So anyone who just get the link, Just click the link and get the tour. Just reply triple one. Okay. Okay, welcome. You are very clever. Perfect. So I gonna say that I can't predict the stock. I can't ensure whether the stock will go up or down. But I can ensure that if you click the link and get this free AI tour, I can ensure that if you click the link and get the AI tour, your trading can get better. Alright? Okay, I'm gonna say that again. I cannot ensure whether a stock go up or down. But I can ensure that if you get this Bull View AI tour, you must trade better. That's for sure. Because you have the reason to trade. You are no longer trading without a reason, right? You are no longer trading without a reason. Okay, come on, there are a quarter. Just a quarter before the market opening. I will show you an example of that. Okay, strategy 1, the opening range breakout. The setup. When the market open, let the initial 5 to 15 minutes of chaos settle. Identify the high and the low, resistance and the support. Alright? Then the trigger. Enter the trade when the price aggressively breaks above the resistance level. Third, the confirmation. Look for a massive surge in volume accompanying the breakout. Last, the target. Ride the momentum up to the next pre-market resistance level. That's all. This is the strategy of day trading. Is that clear? Well, you know, when you're doing that strategy, you need a catalyst, right? The stock needs a catalyst. Another catalyst is the reason you enter the trade. Who can tell you the catalyst? Who can tell you the reason? Our mini Bloomberg terminal. Bull View. Our product. Yeah, you can call it mini Bloomberg terminal. That's enough. Because you know the fee, the membership fee for the annual membership fee of Bloomberg terminal is over 200. Let me see. Yeah, it's over $200,000. But our product, this Bull View, it's free. Come on, man. It's a mini Bloomberg. It's free. And actually, as a retail trader, You don't need the bloom, but it is costly, and most of its function is not useful for us. We just need a mini bloom, but our blue view. That's enough. Okay. Okay, Google. Someone asked about Google. Let me show you. And some new friend just enter our chat room. Let me show you. Google, right? Type the code and click analyze. You will get the reason for buy or sell. Okay. The answer is here. RSI severely overbought, price high but volume weak. So you know what that means? You know what that means? Let's take a look at trading view. Google, Alphabet. Oh. RSI is overbought. It is just entered overbought zone, right? Volume is weak. Volume is weak. Price high but volume weak, which means that it's high risk now. So don't chase. Yeah. And sometimes if you are doing the day trade, you can even enter to short it. Understand? You can even enter the stock to short selling it just for a while, not forever. Is that clear? So what does high risk mean? High risk, on the one hand, it means that don't chase the price, okay? It's expensive now. On the other hand, high risk means that you may probably can short it. You may probably short it, okay? Now, of course, Google is a great stock, but it don't have a good. Google is a great stock. It's a great company, but now the price is not as beautiful as before, right? You can short it for a while, for 0 days, maybe you can earn a profit. Of course, our topic here is about day trade. You just short it for half an hour, maybe, right? It is better for you to buy it with high risk. Understand? All right. Let's go in on our presentation. Sorry. Alright, strategy 2. Fading the open. Trend reversal. Alright, price action play a very important role in the day trade. You see that? Things like that. The setup. The stock gaps down heavily on panic selling right at 9:30 a.m. bell. Alright. And then take a look at the RSI oscillator. It's oversold. And then there's a support floor. And here's a trigger. When RSI dips below 30 for twice, the seller are out of ammo. Then when the price go up and break the support floor, it is a very good timing to buy the bonds on. Okay, this is the strategy 2. Okay, the shield absolute risk management. No matter you are doing value investing or day trading, risk management is always the most important thing. So, yeah, of course, the purpose of trading is for profit. But if you don't do the risk management well, profit will go away, right? So risk management is quite important. Clearly? You need to pick a right stock using our tool, using our AI tool, and when the bell rings, you need to pay more attention to the market. Okay, the risk management rules. The first rule is 1 to 2%. Never under any circumstances risk more than 1% to 2% of your total account capital on a single 30 minutes trade. Okay, control the downside risk. Hard stop losses. No matter what happens, when you get lose over 1 or 2% of your total capital, you need to quit first. Okay, and the size of your trading. Day trade is looking for high volatility, and when the underlying has already provided high volatility, you just need to trade small size. Do not go all in on the open. Okay, small size is enough because you are trading high volatility. Is that clear? So never risk more than 1% of your account, or 1 to 2%, depends on your risk appetite. It depends on your risk appetite. For example, if you have 10,000 in your account, so maximum 100 is the risk limit. Second, always have a stop loss before you enter. Okay, no exception. No exception. Because we do day trade without emotion. Yeah, we do one night stand in the market. Okay, we don't fall in love with the stock. Alright, is that clear? One night stand is enough. Short term day trade. Okay, day trade, one night stand, understand? We don't fall in love with the stock. Alright? So always have a stop loss before you enter. And take profit at a 2 to 1 minimum. For example, again, if you risk $100, make $200 back. Math works. Math works. Is that clear? Well, max 2 trades per day. I think 2 trades is enough. The overtrade is how you die. Day trade, short-term trade. It is for risk management. You don't need to hold your stocks overnight. You avoid overnight gap risk, right? But you also don't need to trade too much. Overtrade is not good. It is emotional. All right. Well, what about after 10 o'clock? Walk away. Just walk away. Turn off your computer. Turn off your phone. Walk away. Enjoy your day. No matter you have make money or lose money. Of course, you make money. You will feel happy today. It's okay. What about losing money? What about losing money? It's also okay because you are doing day trade. You are familiar with that. You lose money today, you might probably earn money tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Every day has chance. You don't need to be sad about missing the trend or losing money today. Just make it back. The day another the day tomorrow, right? The after tomorrow is okay. Well, I see some of you asking the AI tool. Some of you are asking about the blue view. Yeah, it's literally calculates this level for you. You set the alert. It tells you the position size based on your count. Like having a professional trader whisper in your ear. Understand? It is a mini Bloomberg. It is a professional trader whispering in your ear. So click the link and get that free tour. It's just like that. You are the boss. You are the boss. You don't have to spend any money to hire a professional trader to help you, right? To find a reason for you to trade. Is that clear? When you join and when you click the link and join via us, don't make this harder than it needs to be. Where it's easy. It is easy to get a free AI tool, right? And it is easy for you to use it. Don't make things harder. The same as trading. You don't need to trade very, how to say that? You don't need to trade in a hard way. You don't need to trade in the hard way. Just make things easy, right? Life's tough. Life's tough. Let's make things easy. When things get easy, we trade happily, right? Okay, the market is just open. The market is just open. Wait a minute. Alright, can you see that? We just talked about Google, right? We just talked about Google. Now I show you how to do day trade in it. Okay. In the very first 5 minutes to 15 minutes, we don't enter without any reason. We take a look, right? First and foremost, our AI tool just told you that it's high risk, right? So don't buy it. All right, don't buy it. We take a look. Well, we didn't chase the price. We didn't buy it, right? Let's take a look. It's going down. It's going down now, right? So let's see what kind of pattern where it goes. Okay, we can take a look at another underlying or ETF. What about QQQ? Nasdaq ETF. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. There's a range here, right? There's a range here. Can you see that? So next time, when it comes down again, it probably a good enter zone. Understand? Because it generates a range here, so we may trade around this range, around between this range. Let's take a look. Clearly, it is overbought, right? It's overbought, low volume. It might come down. So if we don't buy here, we can short sell in here. We can short sell QQQ here. Okay. It's a range. Every time we hit this level, it go down. What about another popular stock, NVDA? Yeah, you can see that I choose the popular stock because it has a great volume. This is the price action. It shows us many things. Well, MU. The trend of NVDA is not very clear, so let's pass it. We don't trade it tonight. Maybe. What about MU? Let's take a look at micro technology. Wow, it fluctuates a lot. Still don't have a trend, right? It is a range here. Wait, just wait. Takes time. Good thing takes time. I always say that good things takes time. But let's our tour give you a reason. We take a look at the daily chart. This is daily chart. How is it daily chart? It's just like a double top here, right? Double top. It's a bearish pattern. And then it is a resistance level here. Resistance level. Last time it reached here, it go down. Second time it reached here, it probably go down again because it's a bearish pattern. All right. Well, our AI tool is also giving the similar answer. High risk. RSI overbought and low volume. Volume is getting lower, right? So that's why you get a short selling position here, it's better to chase the price. Crystal clear? Yeah. Yeah, you can see that. I think it will break the range here. Yeah. Yeah. Now short selling is better than chasing price. Right? What about 5 minutes? It just show us that it probably break this level and go down. Tonight, maybe a bloody night, all right, for the tech stock. Because based on the price action, we can get some information from the price action, right? Tonight, probably not a profitable night for value investing or for bullish trader. It probably be a yeah. We don't need to be bullish or bearish. We just need a reason to trade. For example, you click the link and get the free tour. When our bull view AI tells you that a stock has high risk, you don't buy it, right? You don't need to buy it, but it probably a good chance for you to short it, to sell it, right? You have that reason, and then you can also use option to short sell this underlying. Is that clear? All right, let's wait for a while. Come back to our presentation. Okay, the arena, pros and cons of the open. Well, it's okay because if we choose to be a day trader, of course there are many good reasons for us. Short term, you control the risk within the day. You need to face the overnight gap risk, right? Yeah, of course, it is extremely high stress, require intense screen focus. Yeah. Everything has a price, right? But you think in another way, you just spend half an hour a day to make money. Any other time, you can go to the gym, you can go dating, right? You can go drink a beer, or you can go to take a nap. Well, the secret to consistency. Check everything. Win the loss ratio. Measure to improve. You cannot improve what you do not measure. What to check? Time of entry and exit. Specific strategy used. Emotional state. Don't be emotional, right? The goal is identify your personal edge and double down on the setups that actually print money for you. All right. Okay, the 30-minute master brain blueprint. You need preparation. All right. You need to review overnight news and pre-market moves. You need a catalyst. Our tool, our AI tool, give you a lot. Okay. You can use this to analyze. Okay. You need a preparation. Don't trade for no reason. Okay. Secondly, around 9 o'clock, scan the market, or use the tool to fund high volume and extreme IV tickets. All right. Our tool, this free tool, tell you everything. It tells you everything. You just own it. You just click the link, and on this free tour, you get everything. Thirdly, execution. Wait for the setup. Yeah, and pull the trigger. And protect. Well, protect. Link on the 1 to 2% rule. Honor your hard stop losses. Well, it is almost 1/4. Right? Let's take a look at the trading view again. Hey, you see Google. Google is obviously a downward trend, right? It's high risk. Our AI tool has already told you that it's high risk, right? You can see it daily chart. You see that? Close to historical high, but didn't break the historical high. And the RSI has just entered overbought zone. Actually, it's very good point. I mean daily. In the daily chart, it's a very good point to short. Okay? Well, you may be wrong. Okay, may be wrong. You come back to the 1 minute. 1 minute chart. Oh, sorry. Okay, a quarter passed. And now, this is a downward trend in daily, in a 1 minute chart, right? So when to short? Of course, we don't chase the price. Of course, we don't short at a lower price, or sure. So if here, you take a look here, if the price didn't break the resistance level, then it will probably go down again. So especially when the RSI is overbought, it's around 70, we can enter to short it. All right, we can enter to short it. Let's Google. What about MU? We can take a look at many stocks. MU is also has a downward trend. It's not a good night for tech stock, maybe, probably. Right? Go up and go down again. It will break here. It's a downward trend. What about NVDA? Yeah, NVDA is not clear. The trend is not clear. If you're gonna have a hedge, you can short Google and long NVIDIA, but not good enough. This strategy is not good enough. All right, I have shown you a lot tonight. I have taught you the day trade strategy, right? I have highly recommend you to click the link and join us to get a free AI tour. All right, it will give you a reason to trade rationally, and follow the opinion of our AI tour. I show you the real market chart. I show you how to do day trade, right? And all the day trade reason is based on the opinion given by our AI tool, Bull View. It is free, okay? You just click the link and join us to get the bullish view. You can get professional analysis and potential tickers. Well, claim your edge, join the inner cycle. It's a free VIP community access, real-time trade ideas, and the live market analysis. The bullish view is a stock diagnostic tool. It is our proprietary scanner to instantly find high volume and high IV stocks for technically low risk trading opportunity. And the most important thing is that it's zero cost. It's free. Okay, come on, it's 100% free for live stream attendees. Alright. Okay, I gotta stop here tonight. Because I talked too much this night. Very useful and valuable things. Our products, the Bull View AI tool, is very useful. You just try it. You just click the link and try it. You will say thank you to me tomorrow night. Alright? You just try it. And I give a lot of suggestion. I show you a lot of technical skill for you how to use that AI tool, how to trade rationally. Right? I can show you again. I show you the procedure. Okay. First and foremost, what kind of stock you wanna check? For example, now, right? Okay, now analyze. You get the reason first, right? Then you check on the trading view. All right. Beautiful upward trend, right? Beautiful upward trend. Hey, can you see that? Price below move average, low volume, short-term weakness. It's weak. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, but it's mid risk. It's not high risk. Okay, mid risk means there's also some opportunity for you to long this stock. And come back to the trading view. Can you see that? Can you see that? So we take a look at this daily chart firstly. Hey, come on. It's the daily chart, right? Downward trend. And I just told you that when the price break the downward trend with the volume enlarge, you can enter. But this is for a trend following strategy. But what about the day trading strategy? It is already an upward trend during the daytime. The price action of a quarter told you that it is an upward trend, right? It's going up, overbought for a while, and now it's turning down. And here it corrects to the MA20 here. If it's stable, it will go up again. Okay, it will go up again. So you can do a day trade in now here, right? So what about another one? Okay, I can analyze another one for you, Tesla. Let's take a look at Tesla. It's going down, right? It's going down. Obviously a downward trend, okay? But here, the RSI indicate and almost oversold. And the daily chart of Tesla, it breaks the downward trend and stands stable, right? So back to the 1 minute chart. and based on the reason given by our product. It tells us that the mid risk, right? It's mid risk, so we can buy the dip here. We can buy the dip here and earn some money, then quit. Then the day trade is ending. So we can have a dream later, make the money and have a drink later. Is that all? Is that? You just need to work for half an hour every day. What a great strategy. But this half an hour, you need some preparation. This preparation is based on our free tool, the Bull View product, the Bull View AI analysis tool for you, the mini Bloomberg. All right, free professional traders stand by you. Clear? Clear? Okay, let me show you another one. Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin. This is the defense military stock. This tool is very useful. I like it a lot. So firstly, we take a look at the daily chart. It is a downward trend, right? It's a downward trend, but here is the support level. Here is support level. So we prefer to buy. We prefer to buy here than selling here. All right, here is a support level. Okay. And the AI tool is also tells us the similar answer. It is mid risk here, neutral risk. It's okay, yeah. All right, let's back to the 1 minute chart because we are doing day trades, so we need to pay attention to the short-term chart. It's going up, right? It's going up in the last quarters. So now it's a very quite good zone to enter. We can long this stock, and then when it go up again, sell it. Finish your trade. You get the reason from our product, and you get a good timing to enter and exit. Finished. All right, crystal clear. Wonderful, right? This is what day trade doing. We need the preparation. So where is the preparation from? From our Bull View, from our AI tool. Okay. Then you just execute your trading plan. All right, just execute your trading plan. Fair enough. Okay, I gotta finish here. So don't forget to click the link, join our group, and get this wonderful mini Bloomberg. Get this wonderful AI tool. It tells you a lot. You just click the link and use it free for a while, then you will say thank you to me tomorrow. Alright? Okay, that's all. Gotta say goodbye because I have my trading tool. I gonna manage my portfolio. I can't spend all my daytimes here. I gotta trade option and the futures. I'm so busy. Alright. See you. See you guys. Happy trading, okay? Happy trading. Bye bye.